To my colorblind viewers, the new coolant is in the left cup. And for my blind viewers, there are 3 cups. This thing is an antifreeze and coolant tester. They are not the same. Simply put, coolant is when you mix distilled or deionized water to gain the heat extraction property in the strength you desire from the antifreeze, which, as the name suggests, is trying not to freeze inside the radiator when the temperature goes down. It's a simple hydrometer tool with markings on both sides to show freeze point and boil over capability, which in this case measures the antifreeze concentration in water, which in turn determines to what temperatures the fluid will be able to handle. In other words, if you're very specific about what goes into your radiator, this could be used to get the coolant concentration for your custom application. Wow, that rhymed. I think Prestone should use that. Manufacturers recommend to replace coolant mainly to flush contaminants out of the pressurized system, which might have come from the rubber hoses or metal components of the cooling system itself, which is seen in the bottle having green liquid appearing black on the left side, taken from my jigsaw. In cooling, cleaner system is directly proportional to its efficiency. So how accurate is this? It may not be very accurate and precise to show how good the coolant is for a single number temperature delta, but this should be good enough to show you how bad the coolant is. And if it's telling you that the coolant is bad, that's a good enough reason to change it.